Meaning of feeding bottle.
Feeding bottle.
Feeding bottle.
Feeding bottle.
Feeding bottle. A feeding bottle is a container with a teat or nipple to feed infants with liquid food such as formula milk, breast milk, or water. It typically has a screw-on cap and can be made of plastic, glass, or stainless steel. Feeding bottles are commonly used for babies who are not yet able to drink from a cup. They provide a convenient and safe way to feed the baby, while also allowing other caregivers to participate in feeding. Overall, a feeding bottle is an essential tool for parents to ensure their infant receives proper nutrition during early stages of development.